Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to do another video about the screen in the back that I installed probably 2 weeks ago, something like that. So one thing that I mentioned is that I installed, where is it? I installed Prime Video, okay? So I can watch, people in the back can watch videos from Prime, movies and so on. But the thing is, the speaker on the bottom, and you know, if you have other people listening something else, it's not good. So I bought two headphones here. This guys, okay, very cheap. I think I paid probably $10–15 each, and they are Bluetooth enabled, of course. So I wanted to install them to see if they can connect and listen music and watch videos. Okay, so let me start the Bluetooth. I have a bunch of stuff connected. So from what I gather, this Bluetooth headphones are this TWS. Okay, so I'm going to put one in my ear and click on this guy and listen if they connect. Okay, and it says connected. Very cool. So if I go to the list, I think I have two. I don't know if I can edit. Yeah, no, let me see. No, I cannot edit the name. I have two similar ones because I tested with this other guy, the black one. Okay, I bought different colors so you can distinguish. Otherwise, you can get confused. But no, let's go to the Prime Video. Okay, right here. So let me pull out the other one. And of course, they can charge via USB. Unfortunately, here these are on the bottom. There are two USB-C, but in the front I have a hub with a USB-A connector, USB-A to USB-C, so it's not a problem. And so let me go to Prime Video and on my account. So right now I have to share my internet connection from my phone so that this guy can connect it to internet. So let me do the mobile hotspot. Okay, and now it should let me go back 2 seconds to the data. No, actually it's right here in settings. Okay, and right here is Wi-Fi. So let's connect to Wi-Fi. It should connect it automatically. Yeah, connected. So let me go back to Prime, and we have Prime here. Let's see if do a refresh. Should pull up some. Let's do movies. Yep, right here. It's loading. So let's pick one. Anyone. I don't care. Let's see. Best of Europe. Okay, whatever. And let's see if this plays back. And let's play back. Let's hopefully it does play back. Yeah, it should. Yeah, and it works. I don't know if you can hear. Okay. Hopefully you can hear. I can, let's see, increase the audio. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear. I stopped. What happened? Oh, it crashed. Unfortunately, sometimes I saw this that is going to the screen. The screen crashes. I'm not sure why. I think it's I left too many apps open. I was playing around with all the apps and stuff, so that's one of the reasons that in my reboot. Okay. So this is one of the tests that I wanted to do. If it does allow me to play back for longer period of time. Okay. In the meantime, I know that the video plays back. I actually played one of the videos that are part of the. So let me go back. I just wanted to make sure everything correctly. So it's connected to Wi-Fi. Good. Okay. The earphone told me that it's connected automatically, which is good. So let me play back this guy. I don't care. Okay, come on. Okay. Yeah. It's a bit slow. Let's play this guy. Yeah. I'm not sure why it's so slow. Let's do sport. What is that? Real Madrid, this guy? Play Series 1. Yeah, it's playing. Don't know if you can hear it. Oh, now it's playing from the speaker.
Documentary series about Real Madrid's 23-24 season, as well as how incredible the last decade was.
Why it's called?
Come on, let's get started. Okay. Sam? Yes. Yes. One at a time. How can I not love you, Tony Cross?
Okay, I by mistake I. Okay, good. So it's working fine. Here it's doing. Okay, let me stop this guy. One of the features these headphones have is that each headphone has a power on, power off button. This black part here, which I didn't know. Pretty cool. So you can use to power on one or the other, or both, of course. Very cool. So that's what I wanted to test, and everything works as expected. Of course, this to be seen in a drive. If you drive and the internet on the phone will sustain the. So let me stop this guy. If it will sustain playing a movie back with the SIM card, sharing the data from the SIM card to via Wi-Fi to the display. Well, I'll test probably next week. We'll see if it works. And I'm still trying to test the SIM card directly on the screen. I tested with another SIM card, but from the same operator, and unfortunately it didn't work. So might be the operator, but I'm not sure yet. Anyway, if you want to buy this screen, I'm going to leave everything, all the details in the description. Also, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code, you get a $500, 500 euros discount, which is good. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.